Well, of course, mga kaibigan, for V-League updates, follow us on or like us on Facebook, facebook.com/NewsTVAllSports. Ngayon, ibato natin kay AJ Pareha. Go ahead, AJ.
Ayon kay Coach Rico, kailangan lang nila ituloy yung kanilang blocking at opensa para mas malayuan pa nila yung Lady Troopers. Sa kabilang dako naman, maganda yung pinapakitang floor defense tsaka reception ng air women. Kaso, hirap sila sa front line, lalo na sa atake. Kailangan nila mag-focus sa combination plays para mas malusutan nila yung malalaking blocker ng Lady Troopers. Back to you, Ann and Rose.
Titignan natin if that's gonna work out. Salamat, AJ Pareha. Here is Bunag now. D-Mac going back again to Manzano. Ba, namimiss na si Manzano sa open, ha?
Ito kanina yung hirap na posisyon for the Philippine Air Force. Si Cabalejo nga kanina hirap makapaglusot ng bola.
Well, ito si Jen Manzano. Dadaanin na lang niya sa lakas. She's very tall, about 5'10", 5'11". Manzano now on a sharp serve. Hirap na si Shasha Torres. Here is Balse on the misdirection. No third ball coming from Air Force. So Ging Balse with a drop ball that scores 9-8.
John Bunag serving.
So ngayon si Johan Bunag to put it in play. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League at bumalik na naman ang kaibigan ni Andre Mulia na langaw dito. Kayong dalawa ni Noriko, may dala kayong pets dito. Here is D-Mac now running attack. Micah Ortiz and Jovelyn Gonzaga very angry at herself for not keeping that one alive. Alam mo, superwoman na bionic ito si Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Oo nga, maganda ang gising ngayong araw na ito.
The Bionic Ilongga. Pwede ba yun? Yun na lang. Pwede. Magandang moniker yun sa kanya. The Bionic Ilongga. 9-all. Salak ngayon on the back set for Balse. Ito si Balse. Ang dami ng dinaan ng pangalan nitong si Balse. The Queen Tigress at one point. Of course, nagsimula ang kanyang career sa University of Mindanao. Doon siya na-discover.
And nang lumipat din siya ng UST, naabutan ko pa siya actually. Sabi ko, totoo bang first year to? Kasi talagang very skilled and talented na volleyball player itong si Ging Balse.
Not to mention, very tall as well.
Oo.
Here's
Talagang
Salak.
threat.
Oo. Gonzaga, nice dig that time by Di Maculangan. Semana now doing the setting duties up front. Here is Carolino off the block. Pipit Balmaceda is there. Dima, quick set. Papunta rito kay Ortiz. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Shasha Torres to Michelle Carolino. Dug up there by Manzano. Dimac, back set. And Wendy Semana na overcook at napasandal pa sa net. Kaya natusta yung niluluto niyang ano.
Well, alanganin din, because yung kanyang movement was towards the net. So yung momentum niya, hindi niya napigilan.
11-9. Unti-unti nang umaalagwa ang Philippine Army dito sa ating second set. Semana now. Here is Gonzaga. Oh, wow. Hanapan mo nga, mami, kung may agimat to ngayon. hindi talaga mapigilan eh. Tingnan mo. I mean, the blockers are there.
Pero yung isang hindi nagagawa ng blocker sa pagkakataong ito sa larong ito, hindi sila nakakapag-adjust. Left-handed itong si Gonzaga. Therefore, ang positioning nila pag nagbablock dapat iba.
And there is an attack that goes in coming from Micah Ortiz. Again, the highest percentage attempt galing dito sa Philippine Air Force, yung running attack ni Micah Ortiz.
Micah Ortiz serving.
12-10. Dumidikit pa rin itong Philippine Air Force dito sa ating Lady Troopers. Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Michelle Carolino. And Gonzaga will have to give up a chance ball. Dimac, one-hand set na lifting pa. Galing chance ball yun, ha?
Oo, galing chance ball. De Ramos. Poor delivery kay Di Maculangan.
So it is now 13-10. Lady Troopers up. Former MVP, Ging Balse. Sharp serve. Dimac. Oh, nice block there by Carolino. Bumalik ulit sa kabila. Carolino will have to set now for Jack Alarca. And Alarca almost dropped it in. Saved there by Manzano. Sala, combination. Carolino. Here's Joy Cases. And Cases drops it in. And Jovelyn Gonzaga is down. And Joy Cases is down. Mukhang pinupulikat lang si Joy.
Merong,
bumagsak,
actually, may pumasok I think, na paa sa net.
That was Jovelyn Gonzaga at the net.
Cases just shaking it off.
Baka mga minor sprain lang yan. Gonzaga, of course, involved in another collision.
Ito makikita mo yung mga volleyball players, yung willpower malakas talaga. Pagka na-twist yung ankle ng konti,
Right.
nagkaroon ng masamang landing, pinapadyak.
Well, ngayon si Joy Cases is trying to see if it's okay. Obviously, she's in pain. At tatawag muna ng timeout dito itong Philippine Air Force. They need to see if Joy Cases is indeed okay. So, let's see what Clarence Esteban has to say.
Hindi tayo pwedeng gawin. Apat na naman yung nakabuli natin, ha? Hindi pwedeng gano'n. Okay? Mayan, nakatake pa rin. Nataas ng buli. Hindi pwedeng silungin sa ilalim yun. Ha? Hindi pwedeng susubunin yun kasi andun, tatlong spike yung nandun doon. Nakatake, iko-coveran mo doon sa papaluan. Hindi pwede. Ayun, tatama ka doon. Kasi ang instinct ng spiker natin, nakatakihin yan. Ha? Hindi natin pwedeng
So 14-10, as we can see, of course, the chairman of Sports Vision, Mr. Moying Martelino, kasama dyan si Madam Eleanor, ang ating bossing dito.
Si Madam,
no?
yes.
Si Madam Eleanor.
4 points up for
Oh,
the
yung
ladies.
jowawain yan. Oh.
Madam namin
Madam ang
yan,
tawag
oo.
namin dyan.
Number
14
5.
to 10. Balse. Oh, Cases look like she's okay. Here is Semana. At nagulat si Bunag na may bola sa harapan niya bigla. 14-11. It's still a struggle here para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Air Force, pero lumalaban naman sila dito sa ating second set. Joy Cases, tignan natin kung okay yung kanyang paa. Parang malalaman naman natin yung sa serve, ano?
Oh, pero mukha namang nakakagalaw siya ng maayos.
Gonzaga looking for a spot. Dimac, one-hand set to Lisa De Ramos. Tina Salak now. Jack Alarca. Hook shot na tira yun. And De Ramos gives it up. Bunag. Salak. Combination. Michelle Carolino misdirecting it. Another collision. Here is Jen Manzano again.
Manzano being very smart with her attacks. Alam niyang alanganin. Nakikita mo yung motion ng kamay niya. Talagang palabas.
At talagang sa papunta kung sino yung magaling sa blocking ngayon, si Jove Gonzaga.
Alam
Doon
niyang
pa niya
alanganin.
pinapunta.
Tignan mo yan. Nilabas niya talaga eh. Sinadya niyang patamain sa kamay at ilabas sa left side ng court.
So 14 to 12. Air women still sticking around. Cases, great serve.
Isa na lang. 13 to 14.
Kaya si Coach Rico starting to talk. Kanina, petics lang si Coach
Oo.
Rico.
Kasi
Ang laki na
comfortable
lamang nila
dito
eh.
Oo.
Dito sa ating second set, Coach Rico de Guzman or Sergeant Rico de Guzman now starting to bark a lot of instructions to the Lady Troopers. Eto ngayon si Joy Cases. Matalim na naman na serve. Shasha Torres. Tina Salak. Jove Gonzaga. Oh, wow! Grabe! Jovelyn Gonzaga possessed.
Very clean point. Itong si Gonzaga, walang touch.
Oo. The Bionic Ilongga.
Oo, tinan mo to, kung gaano kalinis ang
Michelle Carolina
palong yan.
for the Philippines.
Baka makakata daw yung ulo nitong mga to pag nakialam sila eh. So the Bionic Ilongga now makes it a 2-point lead for the Lady Troopers. Michelle Carolino, Pipit Balmaceda, Rhea de Maculagan, and here's the attack from Wendy Semana. At napaatras doon si Shasha Torres.
14 to
15, 14.
15.
Opo, libero po yan.
Oo, libero yan. Pareho lang yung kulay,
Oo.
pero iba yung design ng uniform.
Semana. Carolino. Salak. Bunag. Napasandal na si Bunag doon. Dimac. Vastly improved dito sa ating second set. And again! Jen Manzano, I believe, is 4 for 4 from the open position.
And then ang magandang hugot, ano?
Oo.
Air Force.
Eto, lumaki na ang lineup ng Air Force. As we take a look at this one more time. Jen Manzano, the same
Oo.
style, padadaanin sa kamay.
4 out of 5 attempts
Run.
ang napuntos nitong si Jen Manzano.
Iya Yonko is in at that utility spot. Semana will be the dedicated setter. And here is the attack coming from Manzano. Bunag. Nice block by Iya Yonko.
Yun ang kailangan ngayon ng Philippine Air Force.
And Yonko sends the Philippine Air Force on top by 1 dito po sa ating second technical timeout.